So we're told that the first term, or I should say the 0th term, which is technically the first term, is 1. And then after that, we're given how the relationship between subsequent terms. So that means the current term is k times the prior term. That's the translation. They want us to compute this. Now, what you don't want to do is to actually figure out the values to come up with what is a to the 100. What you'll notice here is that if we divide, because these numbers are very close to each other, so I just need the ratio of these two. So if we apply that condition, you'll see if I is 100, that tells me a sub 101, which is really the 101st term, or I should say 102nd, because A0 is the first, but it doesn't matter. We just need A1 with the subscript 101. That would be k times a to the 100. That means A100 over A101 is 1 over k. I just moved that here and moved that over there. So this piece is 1 over k. Now I need to figure out A102 over A101. So if I replace I with the 101, this becomes k times A101, which means A102 over A101 is simply k. So it's the reciprocal of the ratio here, whereas here it's just the ratio. So the answer is just 1 over k plus k, which is choice D. The way why this question was set up this way is that they want you to waste the time to figure out A100. Let's see if we can, actually that might be helpful in other questions. So A1 would be k, A2 would be k square, A3 is k cube, A4 is k4, and so on and so forth, which means, let me just make sure, k to the 1, yeah, A100 is k to the 100, A102, and we should get the same answer, but this takes a little bit longer, and actually it's not too bad. I was thinking it would be more time consuming. 102, A101 is K101. So you could just plug those in here. K100, 102, K101. And then if you factor K100, you will get 1 plus K squared over K101. This crosses out. You're left with K. And then you divide each term by k, and we do indeed get back to our results. So I think some students are probably going to do this, which is fine. I guess it's not a lot of work. But yeah, if you could notice that they were asking something close enough that you could obtain those ratios from that relationship, that saves you time. So to summarize, the answer is D.